Now today we are going to solve some questions related to degree and radian measure. So question is find find the degree measure degree measures of the angle subtended at the center of a circle of radius 100 centimeter by an arc of length 22 centimeter. Use pi equals to 22 upon 7. Okay, so question is find the degree measure of the angle subtended at the center. Find the degree measure of the angle subtended at the center of circle. We have to calculate the angle subtended at the center. So of circle of radius 10 centimeter by an arc of length 22 centimeter. Now first we have to draw the figure. So it is a circle. Now it has radius. So radius is 100 centimeter. Radius is 100 centimeter. And it is given that length of arc is 22 centimeter. Now we want to calculate the angle at the center in terms of degree. We want to calculate the angle at the center in terms of degree. Now first we have to calculate the angle at the center in terms of radian. Okay, in solution radius is given. Radius r equals to 100 centimeter. Radius is 100 centimeter. Circle of radius 100 centimeter. And length of arc L equals to 22 centimeter. Now first we have to calculate theta. We know that theta equals to L by R. Theta is L by R. We know that theta equals to L by R. So theta equals to L is 22 by 100. It is in radian. So length of arc theta is in radian. Now we have to convert it into degree. So we know that since 1 radian equals to 180 degree by pi. So 1 radian is 180 degree by pi. Therefore 22 by 100 radian equals to 22 by 100 into 180 by pi. It is in degree. Now put the value of pi. The value of pi is 22 upon 7. Value of pi is 22 upon 7. So this equals to 22 by 100 into 180 divided by 22 upon 7. It is in degree. After that, 22 by 100 into 180 into 7 by 22. 7 by 22. Okay, we can call 22 and 22. 22 1 22, 22 1 22. 0 0 cut. 2 5 10, 2 9 18. Then multiply. 9 into 7 is 63 divided by 5 degree. Now divide 63 by 5. Divide 63 by 5. Divide 63 by 5. So this equals to 12 3 by 5 degree. 5 12 60 and remainder is 3. So 12 3 by 5 degree. After that, separate the whole number and the fraction. 12 degree plus 3 by 5 into, now degree converted into minute. So this equals to 12 degree plus 515 512 60, 36 minute. So this equals to 12 degree 36 minutes. This is the answer. Now next question is, next question. In a circle of diameter 40 centimeter, the length of chord is 20 centimeter. Find the length of minor arc of the chord. Length of minor arc of the chord. Okay. First equation. In a circle of diameter 40 centimeter. So diameter of circle is 40 centimeter. It is 40 centimeter. Now it is the center of the circle O. Now diameter is 40, means half of diameter is radius. Now length of chord is 20. This is 20 centimeter length of chord, and radius is 20 centimeter. This is also 20 centimeter. Diameter equals to, solution, diameter equals to 40 centimeter. Now first calculate radius. Radius R equals to, radius is the half of diameter. So 40 divided by 2 is 20 centimeter. So radius is 20. Here is 20, here also 20. So this is A, this is B, and this is C. AOC. Now we can say that if the in triangles all the sides are equal, means this triangle is equilateral triangle. This triangle is an equilateral triangle. In equilateral triangle, all the sides are equal. In equilateral triangle, all the sides are equal. All the sides are equal. This is 20, 20, 20 means AOC is an equilateral triangle. Since OA equals to AC equals to OA equals to AC equals to OC equals to 20 centimeter. Therefore, triangle AOC is an equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle. AOC is an equilateral triangle. Why AOC is an equilateral triangle? Because all the sides are equal. All the sides are equal. So all the sides are equal means the triangle is equilateral. Now, if triangles is equilateral means all the angles are equal. So this is 60, this is 60, this is also 60. So 60 in terms of radian is 60 degree equals to pi by 3 radian. So this is central angle theta equals to pi by 3 radian. Now we have to find the length of minor arc of the chord. So minor arc is this. Therefore, minor arc of chord. Minor arc of chord. Minor arc of chord. L equals to theta into radius. So L equals to, what is theta? Pi by 3 into radius is 20. So L equals to, this equals to 20 pi by 3. This is length of arc. And this is the answer. Now next question. Next question is, if in two circles, question is, if in two circles arc of same length, arcs of the same length, subtended angles, subtends angles 60 degree and 75 degree, 60 degree and 75 degree at the center, find the ratio of their radii. The question is, find the ratio of their radii. Okay. The question is, if in two circles arc of the same length, means in two circles length of arc are same. If in two circles length of arc is same. So this is one circle. Now it is 60 degree angle. So radius is R1, and take another circle. This is 75 degree. Now this is R2, this is L1, and this is L2. The question, according to question, the L1 and L2 are equal, means length of arc are equal. So we have to calculate the ratio of the radii. Let the radii of circles be R1 and R2. Now let us consider radii of circles be R1 and R2. R1 and R2 be the radii of circle. Now it is given that theta is theta 1, this is theta 1 and this is theta 2. 60 degree is theta 1 and 75 degree is theta 2. So now theta 1 equals to 60 degree. We have to convert it into radian first. So theta 1 equals to 60 degree. 1 degree equals to pi by 180 radian. So 60 into pi by 180 radian, because 1 degree equals to pi by 180 radian. Now cut 0 0 616 63 18. So theta 1 equals to pi by 3 radian. Similarly, we can calculate 75 degree also. So theta 2 equals to 75 degree. Again convert this angle into radian. So 75, this is theta 2, 75 into pi by 180 radian, because 1 degree equals to pi by 180 radian. Okay, now cut. It can cut with 5. So 5 into 15 is 75. So 5 into 36 is 180. Again by 3. 3 5 15, 3 12 36. So theta 2 equals to 5 into pi is 5 pi by 12 radian. According to question, the length of arc are same. According to question, length of arc are same. Now according to question, L1 equals to L2. Length of arc L1 equals to L2. Now what is the formula of L? L is theta into radius. So L1 is theta 1 into R1. L2 is theta 2 into R2. Why? Because L equals to theta into radius. Okay, now put the values of theta 1 and theta 2. Theta 1 is pi by 3 radian. Theta 1 is pi by 3 radian. This is pi by 3 R1 equals to, now theta 2 is 5 pi by 12 R2. We can quote pi 1, here 1. So 1 by 3 R1 equals to 5 by 12 R2. Now cross multiply. 12 R1 equals to 15 R2. 3 5 15. Now R1 by R2 equals to 15 by 12. Now cut with 3. 12 means 3 4 12, 3 5 15. So R1 by R2 is R1 is to R2. This equals to 5 is to 4. Now this is the answer. Okay, this was for today. Thank you.